Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
You see that person? How old?
They have zip line there. Then you go down. Oh, the rope is cut. That called waterfalls because the water is falling. Ay, sat.
Mingo is a fly.
There's a tarsier hugging the tree. Side was shortcut. And this way was called long cut because you walk very long. Oh, the rock is something me. Hey, you should keep on the way, huh? Gonna kick you. Oh, the wishing well.
Yes.
And that volcano. For today's videos is nature trip dito, unwind.
Unwind kay paman.
Oh, dapat ko ni kaning English challenge ba?
San Juan na siya.
We
Oh, day putol mo na ako.
Nya dito.
Adrio.
Dapat mo istorya ta kuan ra kaning English. Ha?
Putol mo na ako.
Unsay putol dili mo good. Dapat kuan English. English ha? Sugdan na tong challenge karon, dapat English atong inistoryahan.
What are you talking about?
Kaya sugdan na to ha. Okay, sugdan na tong challenge sa English challenge.
Men who speak English
3, 2, 1,
and
boom. So for today's video is we are here now in Napo, mga
wala pa ta sa napo.
oh,
Pata sa napo.
you should speak English.
Do you speak in English?
You need to speak English speaking.
yeah, do
Oh,
you
what's
see
that? Oh, what
this-
kind of that?
This
Can you explain that?
exotic food?
What?
It is called a grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
You see that person? Owl.
Oh, you hit! Oh, don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Hey, stop that! Are you crazy? This guy went crazy. I don't know what he.
Oh, you want ano?
Hey, stop that!
You want this donut? Oh.
Headshot! Oh, you hit, brother. Oh. So, guys, you see that view? It's very beautiful view. Oh, you see. You only see this. Ano, brother, what are you doing? Oh, you try to slide your butt. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's that?
It's called a malunga grass.
Malunggay grass.
It's only found here in the Philippines. No-
Philippines. What?
What?
Oh,
Yes, there's an animal.
What is the name of that animal? Oh, there's a dog. Oh, there's a dog. Oh, hey, where are you going? Oh. Okay.
Hey, come here.
So now we go down to the
Give me
mga
that.
poles. Okay.
Because it is sliding. Yes.
Oh,
You need to
the way is too slippery.
Slippery. Because you don't have a slipper.
Yes.
Yes. No.
So there are ropes to
But
carry us
the rope is
to. Oh.
tinining.
Oh, the rope is cut. So they so update now. We almost there at our destination. So yeah,
Hey, what happened to that guy over there?
I don't know. He
just
you should call 911.
no
To-
that guy has a mental disorder
Yeah.
and asphyxia in his brain.
Maybe. Too many people? Oh, there's so many people out there.
Oh, catch!
Oh,
Oh!
so
What
oh,
is that?
there's too many people.
Catch!
Oh, there's too many people. This is called San Juan. Today is San Juan. So, too many people. Oh. So you see that? That's water falls. That called water falls because the water is falling to the
Water is falling.
that area. Oh, there's a small tiny of water dropping it. Oh,
That was the urine of the angels.
yes.
The angels are urinating. Where?
There. So as you can see, so many people in here enjoying the San Juan. By the way, today is San Juan, so there's many people around here. So are you ready to swim?
We are ready.
Yeah, we are ready to. How many percent are you ready?
7,000.
7,000. Oh, did you see that? You see that guy?
Cell phone.
You see that guy diving into the water, under the water? So you see,
The optimum pride. It's so good.
good and oh, you speak English. This is a speaking in English challenge. Oh, you should speak English. No more Bisaya accent. Oh, you see that? There's a tarsier in Napo. Oh, you see that? There's a tarsier hugging the tree because he is cold because today is the weather is not good. There's no many people around here.
The people here is so good.
Good,
Give
yes.
us mango.
Oh,
Hot.
your eyes is hot. Why? Explain it.
The banana.
Why your
the banana.
eye is hot?
The mango is supply.
Your supply. Why the mango fly? Can you explain? Oh, what happened to you? You are
COVID.
I forgot that is COVID. You're coughing. That's called COVID. Oh, the COVID is not over yet. So there's
Aslog.
yeah, why?
It's so sour.
Sour. Oh, yeah, I see that. The mango is sour. Oh, why?
The mango is
So,
sweet.
but oh, okay. Oh, no comment. Oh, what that's that?
It's crystal.
Oh, crystal.
Crystal clear.
Where? You need to
No,
keep that because we need to put that into the pawn shop to
No, in the
sell that.
pharmacy.
Oh,
It's a drug.
oh, that is drug. Oh, we need to surrender that at the police station because
this is the drug.
that is drug.
Oh, yes.
That drug mixing into the salt. So, oh, the weather is not good. Oh, there's raining na. Raining. So what's up, guys? So we're done.
We're done swimming.
We're done swimming, and
We're done swimming.
we were enjoying our swimming today. Today we will
enjoyed
go
our swim.
home now. We'll go home. Go home now. We will go home now.
But we are at you. Hot-blooded.
What are you saying? What do you mean?
And our sofas was eaten by other people over
Yes,
July.
yes. Our sopas was eaten by other people. Sige. Take care. Their side was shortcut. And this way was called long cut. Because you walk very long.
Nalungkak. And that sign here, that sign, that.
So you see that tarpaulin.
What's that?
Oh, the Michelin, the the model of the tire.
It's bunky.
Tire. The model of the tire that called Michelin. The road is so very slippery and very uphill. So we walk very careful because the road is slippery
Don't run.
and the weather is same. Oi, you should speak English. Speaking.
Speaking.
Yes. So the two people left
Running.
because the
To go away.
the motorcycle was cannot carry the two girls because they are too
We are few.
overweight.
Few. Oh, jogging.
So we were now jogging into the
Jogging is sagging.
uphill.
We are sagging. Oh, there's a landslide.
Oh, landslide. Oh,
The land is sliding.
that is not called landslide because that is rock.
It's no
Rock,
water. It's land. It's
that
no water.
called
Land.
rock slide.
Rock salt.
You see that? That is not land. That is not land. It is rock. So they call that rock slide. Oh! The rock is bumping me. Hey, you should keep on the way, huh? Gonna kick you. Okay, let's go back. I am running now to the uphill. Sorry guys for my English speaking. I am not very good fluently speaking English. Oh, what is that?
Yeah, fresh water.
Oh, the wishing well.
Yes.
Oh,
Fresh water.
wow, so very
Yes. Fresh water.
Very good. Oh.
Made in the Philippines. It's fresh. Look at that. That
Oh.
fresh water, the color.
the water is so very rare.
Yes.
It is
It
the
is 99.9% germs.
oh 99.9%.
Yeah, germs.
Germ protection.
See that germs here?
You see
Over
that?
there, here.
Just like a juice.
Yes. A chocolate juice.
Chocolate juice. Yeah.
Yes, chocolate juice. You want to try it?
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Oh, the water is so very hot. Oh no.
Yes.
It is
Because,
not very hot. It's
Under that drum is there's a fire in it.
oh. You mean that volcano? Okay. Oh, so there is a volcano up there. So the water is hot. So maybe that he mean. So you see that, oh, you see that view? So very beautiful. Oh, there is many construction site, not finished yet, but it is 50%. Oh, the road is very slippery. So
Over there.
muntik na akong mahapit doon. Oh, I forgot. We should speak English. I almost forgot it. So yeah, okay, let's go back to the view. The view is very beautiful. So you see that?
And the beautiful is very view.
At that
area.
far away, so that far away is so very bright. There's no rain. So but in here they are raining. Oh, see that? Oh, they left us. So we should
Catch up with
okay, yes. So we should run.
Yes. Tayo ng English yan.
So to left us, but we are a good mindset, so we should use the shortcut. The two are no idea where we're going, so there you go.